Hello everybody, welcome back to veenaskitchen.com. I am Veena and I am all ready for my Navaratri festival, and this is my other look which I actually tried, and all this hairstyle you can see. I'm all ready for the Navaratri Garba and Dandiya. This is my sari. If you want to see this, to see this look, how I created it, you can go and definitely check out my other YouTube channel called Veena's Beauty Tips, where I have shared this hairstyle and this look as well for my Navaratri night. But today I am going to show you the recipe of Shrikhand for this Navaratri festival. I hope you enjoy. This is a very classic recipe and it is wonderful. I mean, it is so easy, and it is actually a very tasty dish as well. If you have tried it in the past and you have bought it from the stores, please don't do that. That's not required. It is very simple to make and you can really make it very quick. Well, let's see how this wonderful classic Shrikhand is made. To make the Shrikhand, I'm going to take a bowl. On top of that, I'm going to place one cloth, very nice. You have muslin cloth, you can place it. I'm going to make very soft cloth. I'm placing two cloths together. These are kitchen towels, but this is very soft, and I'm going to pour yogurt into it. I have taken about 1.5 liters of yogurt. You will see the water is just coming out. I'll go ahead and tie this up and hang it like this for about 4 to 5 hours, so that we get a nice hung thick yogurt. So you can see the water is just dripping from this from the yogurt. Just tie it with a thread or a rope, and then just hang it for about 4 to 5 hours. All the yogurt will be on the cloth. So it is completely drained up. I am going to open the thread, and I just had okay, so this is how the thick hung yogurt we have set it, kept for about 5 hours. All the water is drained completely. We will go ahead and make a basic Shrikhand out of it. Okay, I'm going to take a mixer grinder. Into it I will be adding about 100 grams of sugar. You can directly use powdered sugar, but I'm going to show you from the scratch. So, and these are some of the cardamom. About 5 cardamom, skin peeled. So before peeling the skin, it will look like this. Once you peel off the skin, like if you just take it out and peel it off, you get cardamom like this on the inside. So just add into it, and I've added about 5 cardamom pods. We will go ahead and make it a powder. We'll powder it and then add it into our yogurt. Once powdered, we get a very nice powder. And so this is our hung yogurt that we actually made, and I had kept it in the fridge because I had some other work. So now I have taken it out, and we will place this yogurt in a mixing bowl so that we can blend everything together. Take a deep mixing bowl. Into it we will be adding our yogurt, hung yogurt, into it, let us now add the powdered sugar and the powdered cardamom mixing. Keep whisking it till it becomes a nice smooth mixture. Okay, now it has become a very nice smooth smooth mixture. It has become very creamy. If you can see, it has become beautiful. So we will go ahead and add some dry fruits into it and for garnishing. At this stage you can actually add strawberry to make strawberry Shrikhand, mango to make mango Shrikhand along with their essence, of course, and you can also add some dry fruits to make dry fruit Shrikhand. So this has become a very nice and smooth mixture, as you can see. If your mixture doesn't come out this smooth, what you can do is you can blend a little in the mixer grinder, which will work out equally good. Well, now I am going to just garnish it with some dry fruits here, because this is the basic Shrikhand recipe, which has come out awesome, and it is very quick and easy to make as well. So let's take it out in a serving dish. Delicious creamy Shrikhand is now ready to be served. Oops. Okay, now I'm going to just garnish it with some almonds. Delicious Shrikhand is now ready to be served with a roti, or you can spread it on bread as a spread, or you can have it just as it is, like a dessert. Well friends, hope you enjoy this Navaratri festival with this delicious and easy to make Shrikhand. I will be storing it in a container and refrigerating it, and will be using it whenever required. You can store it for up to a week in the refrigerator. Well friends, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making and creating it. Please do post in your comments and feedback in the comment box down below. I will be listing out some of the previously created Navaratri festival recipes in the description bar or at the end of the video. Well, that's it for today. I will come up with another Navaratri festival recipe in the next video next week. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for watching, and wish you all a happy Navaratri.